The lock-top damper is a smart upgrade for homeowners looking to improve energy efficiency and chimney protection. This top-mounted damper seals tightly when closed, keeping warm air in during the winter and hot air out during the summer, cutting down on heating and cooling costs. The built-in bird cage keeps animals, leaves, and debris from entering the flue, while the damper is easily opened and closed from the inside of the home using a convenient cable system. At Friendly Fires, we offer a range of shapes and sizes to ensure a proper fit for most chimney types. And unlike many standard lock-top dampers, ours come complete with a high-quality stainless steel chimney cap for added durability and protection. If you want to improve the performance of your fireplace and add long-term value to your home, check it out on our website at friendlyfires.ca.